Hi, and welcome to Neil Just Makeup. I'm Neil, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by Pride. um, in the past, I've done a few Pride looks. One was Bismuth, so it wasn't technically Pride, but it came out on the last day of Pride, so I count it. The other was last year, which was a just full-on subtle Pride look. Well, guess what? This year we're not doing subtle. I say that because of the greens, the blues, the yellow. But honestly, I am really proud of this look. And this is also a look I'm going to be using for something else. I don't know which one's going up first. Probably the one that's going to be a little bit easier to edit, so maybe this one. Because I'm just thinking about, I have a lot of cuts I need to make in that one. Anyway. I know towards the end of this video I get a little emotional, but I just want to reiterate this. If you are part of this community, remember, you are loved. I know that's hard to say for some people. Hell, I'm going to be completely honest. This last week, I've been internally feeling terrible because of things that I've been realizing, and I'm like, well, I'm SOL, but I come on here and I feel loved. So, I just want to say thank you for loving me, and just know the love's going right back at you. I need to stop before I start crying again. Okay, so I'm going to stop rambling so you can get into this video. Okay, so let's get started. I took care of my eyebrows, and I'm probably going to set my lids, and today I use Brûlée from Wet n Wild to set them, because the palette I'm going to be using today does not have a base shade. So today we're going to be using the MAC It's Designer Art Library palette. Look at that, how pretty. Oh my gosh, okay. So, I think I'm actually just switching it up as I'm going now. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take Chrome Yellow and place that high into the crease. Okay, so now we're going to go into My Kid Can Make That and placing that just below and blending it together. These look like they're so pigmented. Okay. And there's like no kick up in the pans, so oh my gosh. By the way, this is my first MAC palette, so I'm like kinda like shook right now. And we're going to take Tyrannial Wave and place that lower end of the crease. Oh my gosh, I just have to say it, I'm really surprised by this, because I'm like, okay, this is MAC? Okay, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit more of My Kid to do that, which is that green, to just help reblend. So real quickly, I just have to say, the only MAC eyeshadows I've ever used are MAC singles, so this is really surprising me. Just had to say that. But now we're going to dip into this shade right here, Dark Room, and place that on the outer corner and partly into the crease. Okay, so now this is where I don't know what I'm going to do. So, what I actually am going to do is I'm going to take Carbon and place that on the rest of the lid. So, originally I was thinking, okay, I'm going to place that down, and then that can represent how sometimes Pride can be dark. But honestly, I don't want this look to be a dark thing. I want it to be a celebration. So, I'm going to take Starry Night and place that on top of Carbon. Okay, that looks so pretty. So I did have to spray it for it to actually get that foiled effect and making it look not just like black with like something lightly shimmery on top. But once you do that, once you foil it, it looks gorgeous. So I'm gonna go do that on this eye, do my full face, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back, and I have to say, I just tried out this new eyelashes. They are the Sephora Collection Lash Stories and Love is Love. And I just took off part of my foundation. Okay, so now we're going to continue with the eyes. We're going to dip back into this palette, and I'm not going to continue with the same shades like I was doing before. Next, I'm going to take the shade Bright Pink and run that along the lower lashes. Actually no. I'm going to take Can't Afford This first. Now I'm going to take Bright Pink. Taking a little bit more of Can't Afford This just to reintroduce that. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to take High Concept. Real quickly, I'm going to run a black in my lower waterline, and I'll be right back. Okay, so you might notice I don't have any like traditional red on the eyes, and that's because I want to put it on the lips. And the reason I'm also doing that is because last year I tried to use a red in the crease, and it took everything over. So this year, we're not going to include the red. Anyway, for lipstick today, I'm going to be using MAC Viva Glam 1. And I'm using the 25th anniversary, which I just realized I'm using quite a amount of MAC today. Okay, I'm going to set my face and done my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the final look, and I love how this turned out. Honestly, it's just, I don't know how to describe it. I'm really proud of this look. In between letting my hair down and this, I actually did finish up recording something for a very meaningful video. I don't know which one's going up first, but I honestly want to cry. Anyway, yeah, this is the finished look. I really do like how this came out. By the way, Jeffree Star Money Honey, I have to say. I feel like this look is just, I don't know how to describe it. I'm just feeling a lot of emotions right now. And with this Pride Month, I just hope that everyone's gonna stay safe and that, yeah, I hope everyone stays safe. I hope you, if you are part of this community, I hope that you are happy. Because we've been fighting for 50 years, so that's what we can be. Just remember, you're loved. And you're not alone. And I'm saying that because I know there's a lot of people out there that could probably probably needs to hear that at some point. So I just want to remind you, you're loved. You're not alone. And I'm tearing up. Okay. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say, so thank you for watching. See you next time, and again, I love you.